So welcome back to my channel. So guys, this video is all about my PG friends and my PG. I'm gonna show you my room. Me and Swati have worked so hard today. It was super mess today, but we cleaned it just to show you all. Also, right now I have I have Swati here, and please come.
Hello everyone.
Yay! Guys, see, she is one of my BFF here, and I love you.
I love you too.
So, do you want to say something here? Tell people to subscribe me.
Guys, please like her video, subscribe her channel and press bell button.
Yeah, she is perfect, guys. Anyway, we're gonna talk more in this video, beach mein. And guys, now I am thinking to talk in Hindi and English both. So now I'm gonna start with the video, and then you will see. Bye. It's a very sunny day, and it's almost 2 or 3, right?
Yeah.
So this is our entire TV. Oopsie. I need to wear my sunglasses. This is so beautiful. So let's go inside. Oh, that side we have a doggo. Okay, let's go. This is our PG. This is all maybe meters and all. I don't know. LCD. Oops, that. Shut up! I'm making a video. So this is Corona over here. Chalo, Corona, chili jao. Okay, so let's go. We have so many rooms here. So we stay in the second floor, guys. This is our lift. We need to go to the second floor. Guys, my nail polish though. Looking beautiful. Yay. Guys, you should see Swati's nails. You don't want to show your nails. Oh my god. Okay, let's go, guys. We are here, second floor. So यहाँ से हम पानी पीते हैं और एक डस्टबिन है और सीढ़ियों से भी आ सकते हैं एंड लिफ्ट ऑब्वियसली तो गर्मी में कौन ही प्रेफर करेगा. Yeah, this is, we have one room. This is our room. Swati is opening the door for right now. This is our meters. We have 2 more rooms here, like 4 rooms all in total. Let's go. Guys, Swati is here then. Okay.
Lights.
Let's switch on the lights. Let's close the door. I don't wanna. Please don't come and disturb me. So guys, first of all, we have 3 cupboards here. Upar we have few things, but this is Swati's cupboard. This is my cupboard, and this is Barkha's cupboard. She's not here right now. Let's go. This is all these are my winter's fuel jackets and all. Then I have clothes like all the red clothes. You all know I love red, so all the red clothes are here. All the mixed clothes are here. 2 files. I have my documents here, and all the black clothes are here, guys. It's a huge amount of black clothes, and here white. Here I have all the jeans, and I have two snacks also, which I'm not gonna share with you guys. Sorry. And then all my clothes, more clothes, and then I have my few shoes. Guys, I am here like from the 5 months, yeah. But you know, it was lockdown and also I have only few pairs of shoes. Now this is like Barkha's, one of my roommate Barkha's table, and her shoes, her bed, which that's my Pash Balish. Okay, this is my bed, and that is Swati's bed. We actually love each other a lot, a lot. So we thought of, staying together. Staying together as in our beds are, so close to each other, and we sleep together. So this is the entire bed. This is my bed. Pash Balis, Bengali people know what is Pash Balis, and I love Pash Balis. I can't live without this. And then I have my charger, my hair bands, my eye mask, Pingu, a bottle because I was working, and then I thought of shooting this video. And then my charger, a lip balm, bed में जो रहता है main चीज़ें, my speaker also, Swati's bed of course, and Swati's pictures, so cute. Also guys, now I have so many products, so yeah, it's beautiful. And then I have one cute little mirror. Oh. Okay. Then I have my ring light, guys. Like, I just bought it and I'm so happy, so happy. I just bought it by myself. Like, it's not a big deal, but I'm happy. And then the best part of our room is this. First take a, now I'm gonna go close. See guys, this is so beautiful. All these paintings are done by Swati. She is freaking talented, and you guys can see her sign everywhere. Today I was discussing her about the sign, and she told me that what did you say, that what did you, I don't remember exact words.
Like, people can take your photos from your site and they can portray that they have made it. So it's
yeah, So yeah, this is my favorite part. And my ring light is always like, my ring light needs a huggy. Okay, then we have a door here, like keeping our bags and towels and etc. And that side somebody else is staying, the another room. Knock knock knock. We disturb them a lot. And then this is our balcony. That's our AC. And this is our cute little bathroom.
let's keep it private.
Girls will not show. And then guys, here we have Swati's table full of products. Girls being girls, and this is like a common table where we keep our snacks, pencil, utensil, because we stay in PG, so yeah. A chair. We have all total 3 chairs. 1 chair for Barkha, 1 chair for me, and 1 chair for Sati. And oh, forgot to show you guys, this is super cute. This is actual leaf, leaf painting, and this is so beautiful, one of my favorite. Yeah, I think that's all. Oh, forgot to show you guys, this is a bag. Like I have all my small stuff here. Yeah, that's all guys. Okay, now I'll go upstairs and show you a fridge, kitchen. Not a kitchen though, but where we get all our food and all. So see you there. We are again in our lift, and it's 4th floor. Let's go. 3, 4. So in every floor, guys, we have this to drink water, and this is so good. I love this one. Anyway, let's go upstairs. We all have dustbin in every room, with every floor, and this is the stairs. This is a fridge. I have not used it yet. but everybody can keep this stuff here. Somebody have kept something, ice and juices. Yeah, like fridge. Just a basic fridge. Let's go. This is the food area, guys. We have a micro oven to, and then we have a gas. Oh my god, the gas is so dirty. Guys, abhi lunch khatam hua hai, so that's the reason. This is the worst part of our PG. Guys, it is pretty clean, but just lunch hua hai, so, foods. This is the view. I love this part. This is the best part. Beautiful. And this is the view from the PG. It's beautiful. And then you can see clothes because it's our girls' PG. Of course, we all understand. And then we have 2 washing machines. These 2 to clean clothes. 1 aqua whenever you can eat and drink, and the basin, pretty basic things. And then the view. Wow, the sky is looking so beautiful, Swati.
What?
The sky in the video. Look at this. Wow. Beautiful. Guys, it's too hot. I need to sit in the AC, so bye. So are you girls ready?
No.
So guys, Barkha is here. So now I have 2 roommates and I thought of introducing them. I'm gonna mention their links in the description box.
Mention the link.
Instagram links. I hope. Guys, do something.
What to do? We cannot do it.
Okay, come. Okay, come, BC. Come. अरे थोड़ा पास आओ.
क्या है? सब दिख रहा है. Pimple marks. Everyone is beautiful in. Actually. हो गया. वैसे ही वीडियो अच्छी थी. Guys, bye.
Okay,
Papa
guys,
is calling.
like. बोलना यार.
क्या बोलना है?
Please like her video, subscribe to her channel,
share.
and yeah.
Subscribe, comment, and follow. Bye.